Assalamualaikum everyone. So this week we were talking about the materials that we can change the shape of. So after the end of this uh, week or the changing shape lesson, we were able to explain how the shape of some objects made from some materials can be changed, and we were able to tell, or we will be able to tell, 4 ways that shape of some objects can be changed. And we were able to demonstrate 4 ways to change the shape of some objects. Now, the first question that we asked each other was, what do we mean by changing shape? And also, can we all think of some materials that can change their shape? You can pause the video here for a minute and think about this question and discuss the answer with your partner or anyone who's sitting next to you. Now, we know that some materials are hard. Can you think of any examples of any materials that are hard? So in the class, we had a plank of wood plus we had a metal scale. So now, is it easy to change the shape of the materials that are hard? So when we tapped on the plank of wood, we realized that will not be able to change its shape in any way. We will not be able to bend it or twist it or turn it or even squash it. While on the other hand, the metal ruler was really long and really thin. So we were able to bend it, but we were not able to twist it or squash it. On the other hand, some materials are soft. Can you think of any examples of the materials that are soft? So the example that I could think of are a pillow, wool, cotton, a fabric. And now, is it easy to change their shape? You can again pause it and discuss it with your partner. That is it easy to change the shape of these materials and how exactly can you change their shape? So with the cotton and wool, we tried this hands-on experiment. We bended it and twisted it and turned it and we were trying to squish it. And we were able to do all of these things to it. We were able to do the same with the cloth and wool. Why? Why do you think that is? And now, how can we change the shape of objects made from some materials? For example, the objects that were made from cotton and wool or even fabric, it was very easy to change their shape of. While on the other hand, wooden objects or metal objects were not easy to twist and turn and bend. But we got into this very interesting discussion in class where children said that natural objects are like wood or even metal is also, we also change their shape. But how? We don't twist it and turn it or bend it or squish it. But a tree in its natural form, you will not be able to twist and turn. But from a tree, we take a part of the wood and we carve it and we use different materials to make chairs and tables and cabinets and even carvings. So yes, it might be difficult to change the shape of some materials like metal and wood, but it can be done, but we can't bend it and twist it and turn it and squish it. We need special materials or objects to change its shape. Now, let's do this. Take an object in your hand, try squashing it. Squash an object by pushing both our hands together. Now, bend an object by grabbing both ends of the object and bringing the ends inward together. Now, twist an object by turning your hands in opposite direction and see if you're able to do it. Now, stretch an object by pulling your hands slowly and gently apart. You can try doing this with 2 or more objects and tell which worked for you and which object was not easy to twist and turn and squash and bend. So now, let's think about these questions. Have a think about these questions. Can you twist a ruler? And can you squash a ruler? Now, same goes for the pencil. Can you stretch a pencil? And can you bend a pencil? And if you can't do that, why is that? We can change the shape of soft materials. We can squash them and bend them. Look at the following materials and can you easily change their shape? Can you change the shape of nails and keychain or keys? No, because they are hard materials. And now, can you change the shape of jelly? Yes, because they're soft materials. Now, can we change the shape of a chair? So if it's made out of plastic, it can be broken if you put a lot of weight on it. But if it's chair made up of strong material, then no, we can't bend it or twist it or turn it. Now, we can change the shape of a cake because it's so soft. So can we change the shape of a wool and tissue and a sponge? Why? Because they're soft and they're easy to manipulate. What do we mean by that? That means that we can easily bend them and twist them and turn them and squish them. So the home task for this assignment is that you will be given a worksheet with a list of objects, and you have to tell whether you can squish them or bend them or twist them or turn them. And if you're unable to do this task on the worksheet, you can do that instead of on your PBL notebooks. So this is it for today. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a message on Schoology and we'll respond to you right away. Allah Hafiz, everyone.